Make money with CPA marketing just by utilizing this platform right here called the RollerAds.com. And that's why I'm going to walk you through this particular step or method on how you could promote your CPA marketing offers on this platform. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first, you want to just simply go on to grabbing a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote right now. You could get offers from Max Bounty, from CPA Lead, CPA Grip, or any CPA marketing platform out there which you want to utilize to get CPA marketing offers from. And I'm going to be using the CPA Grip right here. And if I do go on to login into my account, I should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. I'm going to click on Offer Tools and My Offers to actually go on to selecting offers which I want to promote. And basically I would like to promote offers from the United States demographic, which is why I did select that in the country section. And you can actually do see offers available to this demographic right now. If I do select this offer, you can see more details about this offer right now. That is actually an Apple iOS offer, also a mobile install offer, and the payout to this offer is about 89 cents right here. Here is my unique affiliate link to promoting this offer, which if I do copy, I'm going to head on to this platform called the linktr.ee. And if I use this platform right here called the Linktree to actually go on to promoting my CPA marketing offer, because this link platform is actually going to be in form of a landing page or a bridge page right now. You just want to go on to signing up for free, put in the username which you want right here on this platform, and go on to claim your Linktree, fill out the form which will be shown, and you'll be brought to a dashboard right here where you just want to go on to clicking on add link and go on to just simply pasting that link right there for that CPA marketing offer. Click on add, and that particular link right here will be added. You just want to go to CPA Grip, copy that particular title for that CPA marketing offer, and head back to your Linktree and do go on to pasting that right here in this section. As you can see right now, I just simply changed the title, and that has actually been changed in the previous section. You can see right here that I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers available to the United States demographic right now, which is why you want to just simply go on to selecting another offer right here, copy the link to this offer, and actually do go onto your Linktree to just simply click on add link right now, and just simply add that link also, and add as many CPA marketing offers as you can right there. But it is quite suitable on better for you to go on to adding sweepstake offer like giveaway offers right there. And in some cases guys, the link which you do add right here might be flagged as a risky link or an unsafe link, which is why you want to just simply copy that link first, head on to this platform called tinyurl.com or any link shortener website out there to actually help you shorten that particular link, and do head back to your Linktree and go on to pasting that link right now. That is actually going to work and solve that issue. Once you're done with this page, simply click on share and copy your Linktree link, then head on to a new tab and paste in that particular link. And you can see right here that this is what I will be shown right here. This is actually my Linktree link right now. If anyone do come right here and click on this offer and go on to completing this offer right now guys, I'm going to earn some cool affiliate commission for each offer which they do complete right here. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to use. Just simply go on to copy your Linktree link and go on to promoting that on this platform called the RollerAds.com. And this platform is actually a paid ad platform which you can use to boost your revenue right now. And you just want to go on to sign up. It's actually free to sign up. Once you're signed up, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. Simply go on to clicking on new campaign, select the campaign format which you want to use. I'm just going to go on to using the push notification right now. I'm going to just simply select the bid model. Maybe I'm just going to select the cost per click, which is the CPC. For the traffic preset, you want to just simply go on to selecting one right now. As you can see, if you want to select the desktop offers for software, or mobile gaming offers, or mobile finance offers, select that right now. I'm just going to leave this page as it is right here because I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers. For this general section, you want to go on to selecting a campaign name right now. And supposing I want to name this campaign name Linktree, for this section which says target URL, paste your Linktree link right there, and you can see that has actually been pasted. Right now guys, you want to select what that particular URL actually falls right into right there, which is actually the category. If it doesn't fall into any category, you can leave that as it is. For this creative section, this is actually where you are going to set how you want your ads to actually look like. And you want to just simply go on to getting a cool giveaway image right now which you can actually do insert as an icon, and you could just simply get that from Google. So if I do go onto Google and search for giveaway images right here, I'll be shown a lot of images right now which I can actually go on to using. I'm just going to click on this image icon to actually see a lot more. And guys, these are quite a lot more number of giveaway images right now. I'm just going to select one of this image and actually do go on to downloading this right now. And if I do right click on this image, click on save image as, and do go on to downloading this image on my device, I'm then just simply going to go back and to my RollerAds platform and actually do click on this icon right now. Just simply insert that particular image. Do the same thing for this image section right there, and you can see that that has actually been inserted right now. I'm just going to come right here, click on crop, and that has actually been inserted. You want to just simply come right here and head on to giving this a title, and this says claim a free giveaway now. You want to just simply go on to giving this a description, complete a simple survey and get rewarded, and that has actually been added right now. You can see that this is how the ad is actually going to look for Android devices right here. This is how it's going to look for the Windows devices, and you can see how it's going to look for the Mac OS devices right now. And this is just a single creative right here. You want to just simply go on to add in another creative, and it is quite advisable that you actually do have at least 4 creatives right there with a different text combination, different image and different banner right now. And if you actually do that right here, it actually boosts your chances of actually getting better conversions to this particular offer. Right now you want to just simply go into selecting the country which you want to promote this offer to. I'm just going to scroll through and actually do go on to selecting the United States. And as you can see that right here, if I do select the United States, that country has actually been selected right here. Next, you could actually go on to selecting the regions and cities which you want to include or exclude. I'm going to leave that as it is to actually go on to promoting that to every area right there. You could also come right here and select the carrier type right here which you want to use. You could select IP address which you want to directly promote that offer to. I'm just going to select that or leave that as it is right now. For this custom and bid section, guys, you want to just simply go on to adding a custom bid right here, putting what you want to use for your CPC right there, and for the zones which you want to just simply put that, putting something quite, let me say 0.004 right now or 5. I'm going to leave that as it is right here. And guys, for this CPA optimization, if you do have one, you could add or insert that in that section. For the budget, you want to just simply insert your total budget right here. Maybe if I want to run this ad for maybe 5 days and I do have a total budget of $150 right now, I'm just going to go on to reducing this particular daily budget to about $30 for it to actually use $30 each and every single day to run this ad, and this ad is actually going to run for 5 days right now. Right here in this section, guys, you want to just simply go on to the traffic section to actually select the type of traffic which you want, the age subscription which you do want for this offer right now. I'm going to leave that for all ages right here. You can select the feed limitation, zone limitation, and actually do fill out that based on your preference right now. You could also come right here and select the type of device which you want for this offer, and also the operating system right now. I'm just going to go on to leaving that on all right here because I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers right there. If I'm just promoting a specific CPA marketing offer, I can actually do narrow that down. So once you are done, guys, just simply click on save changes and actually declare and guarantee that this campaign actually meet the quality guideline. And you could then just simply go on to starting your campaign. But before I forget, guys, in this bid section, just simply go on to putting in a price right here. And you want to put in something slightly above the recommended. I can actually do go on to put in something like $0.2 right now. And once that has actually been added, click on start campaign. And you could just simply go on to funding your campaign right now by just simply go on to the finance section and fund your account right here via any one of these platforms right now, or this payment plan. Fund your account, then just simply go on to start running your campaign right here on this platform, and your ad is actually going to be promoted right here to a lot of audience right now, because this is actually a cool paid ad platform which you could take advantage of to start actually boosting your revenue right now in CPA marketing. And guys, I hope this video actually did help you. If yes, why not just simply go to smashing the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.